Hi, I'd like to talk a little bit about how to make sure that the document, the paper that you submit, has no spelling or grammar errors. Now, obviously, one thing that you can do is to proofread your paper. But in addition to that, if you're doing it in Microsoft Word provides a mechanism for checking your spelling and checking your grammar. And some of you, I don't think, are using it, and it's very easy to use, so I suggest that you do use it, and I'm going to go over exactly how it's done. Okay, so first of all, I just created a document here, copied it from somewhere else, and put in errors on purpose. So one of the things you'll see is that there are some words in here that are not spelled correctly. And how do I know that? Well, because here's an example. This word is underlined in red. That means it's not correct. So you can go right-click, and then it will give you a list of choices, so you pick the correct one. In some cases, some words are correct, but they're unknown to the Microsoft detector. So this is a Chinese name. They never heard of Sue. So you can right-click on that, and you can have a choice, but even more so, you can just add that to the dictionary because it's a valid name. But the main thing that you should be able to do is to go to the top and click on the Review tab. And when you click on the Review tab, if you go all the way over to the left, you will see Spelling and Grammar. So click on that, and it will go through different parts of your document. Now in this case, who will want an educated wife? Well, that should have a question mark after it. So here's a suggestion. Same word with a question mark. So you just press Change. Then we have Golden Child, a drama with piquant comics. Well, in this particular case, that word is okay. So you have to make a decision, and you ignore that. Here's another one. He's pesky, but she's just as stubborn until at last a compromise is reached. So it doesn't mean everything they point out is wrong. In this case, you look at it and you say, no, this makes sense, so I'm going to ignore this. Okay, I make everyone happy. Tell you family story. Well, it should be your, right? So it gives you that option, so you just go and press Change. Here's another word that the word system has never heard of before, but it's a valid name, so you can just add it to a dictionary. And so on, and then it picks up this thing, which is actually almost correct, except it should be, instead of mean, it should be means. So you change that. And now it tells you the spelling and grammar check is complete. So at least you should use that system to double check your document. Okay, so I hope this helps.